Welcome, today I'm showing how to turn off your Hey Google option into a Lenovo Tab P11. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, on the bottom panel I've got more options. If you don't have more options here, tap to your Google account icon on the top right corner and choose here Settings in this menu. So I go into More Option and choose Settings. Now go into Google Assistant, and now here find Hey Google and Voice Match option. And now tap here on the switcher to turn off your Hey Google. And tap OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.